Let's make my chili beef tacos on the barbecue. It starts with a wet rub of brown sugar, chopped green chilies, Worcestershire, chili powder, oregano, cumin, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Also, a pinch of salt. Now to prep for our roast. I love a flavorful blade roast for this because it shreds apart beautifully. Slather it with the rub and seal it up and put it in the fridge for 24 hours or just until you're ready to barbecue. Now let's prep for our roasted salsa. You'll need a couple of Roma tomatoes cut in half, a green pepper, some jalapenos, and a cooking onion. Coat the veg well with canola oil, then onto a hot grill. You want to char these well to add that rich, smoky flavor. Cook the roast using indirect heat. Turn the burner under the roast off, and the other burners will maintain a consistent temperature, cooking your beef perfectly until it easily shreds apart. About 2.5 hours. Now let's make the salsa. Leave the seeds in the jalapenos or take some out to reduce the heat. Then add everything to the food processor. Give it a quick blitz, but don't take it too far. You still want it chunky. Add some lime juice and cilantro to brighten it up, and a good pinch of salt. Now, let's shred the beef. It's easy to do this by transferring it to a bowl and using 2 forks to pull it apart. Pour in some of the accumulated juices. Then add the tender beef to a warm corn tortilla. Top it with salsa, something for crunch, and sour cream. Use leftovers to stuff a baked potato, quesadilla, or top a pizza.